Hey, that's right. We're working on Mara's tow truck again. Well, Mara's off doing some last minute Christmas shopping. We're going to take that front axle and we're going to see what it's going to take to put it up underneath this Gladiator. Unfortunately, the springs are mounted outside the frame, which that in itself wouldn't be a problem, but they're wider than the spring pads on the GM Kingpin 60. I've seen GM axles being used in this application, but I've never seen what they do to make them fit. I don't know if they move the springs inside underneath the frame or what they do. So we're going to do a little investigating here and see what works. Now, the first thing we need to do is just get a center line of the truck. We'll do that between the leaf spring pads here. And we're just going to use some normal string for that. I might have cut it too short. There we go. Now, with a simple tape measure, we can get a center 33 3/4. So what's center of 33 3/4? We'll do it the easy way. Calculator, 16.875. Is that right? I don't think that was right. What was our number? 33 3/4. 16.875. What is 875? 15/16? There. Is there. So right there is the center line of our truck, done with simple construction string. Now it's time to grab the axle. So I want to do this because I've seen this done on YouTube and I've looked at the videos and watched, and nobody really shows how they do it. Later on, it looks like the springs are still at the same width. So I don't know, I got to figure it out. Oh, these things never roll straight. Greaser, center greaser, 52 and 3/8. So that make it 26 and 3/16, which puts it right about here. Puts it right there. Well, that looks pretty close. Well, I'm trying to see if we can go outside the springs, go outside the spring pads here and bolt it on. It's still got to come over a little bit, and we might be able to make it, I don't know, but I can't move this axle around. It's just too heavy for me. Be nice if I had something that I could set it on with wheels. I wonder. Looks like that'll work. We just got to build another one. Okay, we bought some casters. And some lag screws. And we need 4 of them 20 inches long. 1. 2. Okay. That's 3. One, 2, these welding tables are good for construction too. 3. 4. Now the 2x4s. Right about there. Now, let's see. 17. And 17. That looks like about centered. So one option would be to cut and re-weld these spring hangers down underneath the frame, front and rear, on both sides. And that isn't too much of a problem on this side, but it is on the other side. See, we got some bracing for the steering box in the way. Yeah, we can drill a hole right here. And the U-bolt can come through, and the other U-bolt. Yeah, that ought to work. So I think it'd be a little bit better to build a spring pad out here. I think our steering will work out. We're gonna have to build a different drag length though. I don't trust this one. Well, looks like I'll be searching Amazon tonight for some spring purchase.
Hi, honey.
Oh, hey. Did you have fun shopping?
Last minute shopping? No. Shopping together? Yes.
I see.
What you doing?
We're looking up spring pads for the Dana 60 here. See what...
You got an excellent.
Well, not really. We were just checking it out to see if we needed to move the springs or if we were going to put spring pads on. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to weld on spring pads. So rather than cut the spring hangers and move the springs in, I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut this one off and we're going to re-weld the spring pad over here and we're going to build a custom spring pad for it right here. That way I can use a U-bolt in here.
And why do you got a string like I...
That's to find the center line of the vehicle.
Oh.
And then the center of the axle is right here.
So you have to order what? Or are you cutting...
Spring pads. I have to order some spring pads.
From?
Amazon. Just generic spring pads for a Dana 60.
And then you have to weld over there?
Yes.
And weld here?
Yep. Or maybe you'll weld.
Probably not. Like, I'd have to, like, really practice every day or all day. So, when you order the spring pads, it comes with this.
The spring pad will come just to go on a tube like this.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to modify it to go right on the edge of this here. We'll have to see how that works.
Okay.
So you don't think you want to weld it?
Probably not. Probably not.
What?
Did you put my glasses on? Because that is my shirt.
Well, I'm working on your truck.
Okay, but that's still my shirt.
Yeah, so I'm seat cover working on seat cover's truck.
Okay, then we need to dye your hair blonde. You know. You know what I should do? I should make you one that says Mrs. Seat Cover.
Yeah?
Or Mr. Seat Cover.
Mr. Seat Cover?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that'll work. That's what I'm looking up here, spring pads.
Ah. Well, I hate to interrupt you, but I was thinking today
Yeah?
for names for my truck.
Oh, sure, absolutely.
So, I made a list.
You have a list of names.
A list of names.
And we gotta choose one? Well, maybe we should have them choose one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I
Right?
already I know which name I want. Here is my list.
Okay, number 1, Golden Girl. Well, it's not gonna be gold, it's gonna be yellow.
Exactly.
Seat cover Sunshine. It's gonna be Sunshine Yellow. Seat cover Sunny Wrecker. That's kind of long. Blondie, Sunflower. Seat covers Sunny Sally. Seat covers Sunny Twist. I like Blondie.
I'm not telling you which one I like.
I like Blondie. You tell us what you guys like in the comments. Type it in below.
So we got Golden Girl, Seat Cover Sunshine, Seat Cover Sunny Wrecker, Blondie, Sunflower, Seat Cover Sunny Sally, or Seat Cover Sunny Twists.
Remember, it's gonna be painted yellow.
Yes.
Okay, well,
So-
you keep that.
I know which one I like.
Yeah? I know which one I like, Blondie. All of you, from all of us, have a very Merry Christmas and
Happy New Year.
thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and what?
We'll see you out in the woods.
Okay.
Maybe we'll see you in the woods.
And
Abby seems to be
she's just munching on Twizzlers.
I'm they're a couple days old. I think I had these in the shop the other day.
Oh, yeah? They're a few days old?
Maybe. I don't
Are
know.
they still good?
Yeah.
She's
Okay.
still getting them.